after this 30 seconds is over, downwards, I'm going to short, and I'm going to have my break even here. Boom, break even's gonna be here. My take profit's gonna be something like maybe here. We can keep fucking around like this. For me, I know, like, we're gonna continue down. So, perfect. $500 stop loss for take profit, just around here. It's gonna be under 1 to 2 RR, which isn't what we want. So I'm gonna look for something better. We can also do something like this, where we go to the hourly and see if there's any. So, boom. We're up here. I'll just mark here to here. I'll say 50% in this range. So it's gonna happen if we want to retrace. We're gonna retrace to probably just around 50% at least. So I would go down on the 1 minute, see if we have any good take profits down here. This is a good one right here for me. It's just around 1500, which makes this a 1 to 3 RR trade, which is exactly what I would want. Here would still be break even, so I can set up my short and everything. And that's my stop loss, and I'm gonna have my take profit just at this low right here. It's even just before the 50%, so if we do retrace through this range, again, imbalance is what I love to play with. That sounded weird. I think it's too big of a move to come all the way up here. That's just weird. So I would love overnight now to just kind of, even if it slowly goes down, I would like to see it go down to this level. Again, even if we, because even on the 4 hour, you can see what I'm talking about. It's just a big range, so this is good. Even if we wanted to play a little safer, actually, because I want to stay above this. Actually, even this is a good 4 hour imbalance. So let's see what we have in that line. In this line, we can stay, say, just above that 4 hour displacement start, and this little displacement right here, this little displacement range. So I'm going to move to this. I'm going to get rid of all the junk. We've kind of done our calcing, and we can just let this play out. Again, we're kind of protected by a high here. We're protected by this fair value gap here. We are protected by a good high inside of a fair value gap, and we're displacing lower. I wouldn't even want to go break even here, but I'm going to minimize my position once we can reach that level. And then we're just move sailing all the way from there, which would be nice. Risking 500 isn't bad at all, especially when we have RR, so 1 to 2.5 RR. That's really good. That's very good. So we're already at break even. I could technically go here, and then I would have a safe trade. But I'm gonna go with this high here. So I'm already risking twice as less, which makes this an even better risk to reward. It's gonna make this a 5 to 3. 1 to 5.3 RR trade. So I'm gonna step away from my setup and I'm gonna let this play out, and I can come back to some green, hopefully. Yeah, went pretty good. Yeah, obviously I probably could have put it down more, but I did exactly what I wanted, and even if we did decide to go break even here, it would not have stopped us out, so that's cool. I went straight to TP, and it was a very good risk to reward. Smacked that shit. Again, I wanted it above the level where that 4 hour gap started. You can see it here. It'll be hovering. So I wanted it above this line, and I wanted it around a low. Like, I wanted it to be here, but I didn't want it before this, so I just had it right where this candle started, because this is kind of where, in my head, I imagine an imbalance. So it's like a bunch of overlapping imbalances, but just makes the most sense to me. That's where my TP is, and went well. So yeah, very good trade. So, but yeah, so now I gotta be up in 6.5 hours. I'll be up for the New York Open, and we go from there.